So in the sets chapter, what is the definition of the set? First, you tell. Can anyone tell? Definition of the set. Set is a well-defined
Sir,
collection
well
of
defined of.
objects. Yes. When do you say the well-defined? A collection को कब well-defined बोलते हैं? When do we say that a collection is a well-defined? पता है किसी को? When do we say that a collection is well-defined?
Sir, a set
वो
is
एक
a
collection को
well-defined
well-defined.
collection.
Simple. I'll tell you. Okay. I think your voice is not clear and not audible to me. Okay. A collection is said to be a well-defined. Suppose I am saying that in the classroom there are 50 students. Collection of students in the class 11. Collection of the students of class 11 of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Panisagar. So if I say like that, collection of students means if I say that Mr. Rajkumar, whether it is he is present in the class or not, everyone can say no. List देख के बोल सकते हैं Rajkumar is नहीं है. So you are able to decide whether the particular element, we call that Rajkumar as a element. So वो element उसमें है or नहीं है बोल सकते. Means if you are able to say that any element in the universe is present in the collection or not, if you are able to say, then that collection is called as a well-defined collection. Then that collection is called as a well-defined. Well-defined collection is nothing but collection, whatever you are saying. So if I am saying intelligent students of the class 11th, if you are asking the me, I may say the intelligent students Mr. X, Y, Z. If you are asking the another physics teacher, he may say that Mr. A, B, C are the intelligent. So my point of view is alag, his point of view is different. Okay. So that is not a well-defined collection. Whenever whoever says that, suppose if I am saying that collection of well-defined means suppose if I am saying that intelligent students of the class 11th of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Panisagar. So if I say that Mr. X, whether he is intelligent or not, how do we decide? There is no any particular intelligence question, IQ level check कर सकते हैं ना सब. But I am not saying that the person whose IQ level is more than the particular number is intelligent. I am not defining intelligence. If you are defining intelligence को define कर लिया है, whose IQ is more than 105, he is intelligent. If I am defining it, then you can say the collection of intelligent students in the class 7 is well defined. But we cannot define that particular intelligent, beautiful, okay, extraordinary, and like that adjectives whenever you are using in a collection, then they are not well defined collections. That means normal definition is what? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. So when do we say the collection is a well-defined? If you are able to say that any object in the universe, if you are able to say that any object in the universe is present in that collection or not, आप बोलना है, बोल सकना है, नहीं है भी बोलना है भी बोलना है. If you are able to say that, then you can say that it is well-defined. Did you get my point? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you people give me the at least 2-3 members give me the well-defined collections of your own point of view. Well-defined collections of the music. Any example you can say. That
The month
collection
in a
should be
year?
well-defined. Huh?
Sir, months in a year.
Yes, I mean, but he's saying that months in a year. Everyone, whoever said a month in a year is nothing but January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. यही बोलेगा. Language may be different, English or Hindi, but months in a year is same. Very good. Like that. One more example. Because your own point of view can think. आप सोचना है थोड़ा सा.
Sir,
सोच के बोलना है. But बेटा.
Sir, alphabets in English.
Come again. Yes, alphabets in English. Alphabet in English. Alphabets, not alphabet. It's not a plural. Alphabet. I think you said alphabet only. Okay, next. Very good.
Sir, number of same size books that I have.
Very good. Number of same size. Number
Same
of same
size
size books you have. Okay, very good. Okay, you can say size you are saying. Size is nothing but actually when you consider that you may consider the okay length and breadth both can be considered. It's okay. It's not a problem. So these are the examples. Very good. I think you are giving. So now what you have to do today in your surroundings, whatever it may be, the collections you are coming across. अरे ये सेट होगा नहीं होगा आज से यही सोचना है so that you will be able to learn this. It's very clear. आज ये collection देख लिया अरे ये सेट होगा नहीं होगा हर बार when you are thinking like this then automatically subject you are going to learn. So now we are going to see the representation of the sets. How do we represent the sets? Okay. So now here books are there. Some pencils are there in the box here, pencil box. And some flowers are there here. A bunch of the flowers you are having. Okay. So to representation, how do we represent the sets? And here collection of the integers. Integers are there, and here dots are there. What points in a circle? So these are the different situations is taken into consider here. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. A set is what here a well-defined collection of objects. It's a well-defined collection of objects, and most of the students know that. But most of the students don't know that what is well-defined. That we have discussed. Okay. So here, if you are saying that one point is outside, one point is inside. So the points which are belongs to the inside the circle only will be considered as set. Suppose let us take the numbers 1, 2, 4. 4 numbers is taken into consider here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here, if the question is asking here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers are taken. That is whether first 4 numbers in the number system means natural first 4 natural numbers in number system. When you are saying it becomes a set. Okay. So the element of a set are denoted by the small letters. Inside whatever the objects we are taking, whatever it may be their elements. The word element is used to synonymally with the word object. Object बोल सकते हैं और element को बोल सकते हैं. Set के अंदर whatever the things are there, they are called as elements. So now here what are the elements? Usually sets are denoted by capital letters. Sets denotion is different, representation is different. Denotion is nothing but A, capital A is a set को एक symbol. So capital letters are denoted by the and the elements or the objects will be enclosed in a bracket separated by comma. Commas to separate करके enclose करते हैं. So like this P, Q, R are the 3 elements. What do we call? A is the set which containing the elements P, Q, R. So P, Q, R को क्या बोलते हैं? Either elements you can say or objects you can say. The element P belongs to the set A. So we use the symbol belongs to like this, and most of the students will write it as a E. Don't write it as a E. C लिखना है, C के बीच में एक line डालना. That is a belongs to symbol. So whatever the element is present in that particular set, so whenever you see that belongs to symbol की left side में element होना है, right side में set होना है. The particular element belongs to that particular set. Z is not there in the set A. So Z does not belongs to A. We see that O belongs to को cancel कर दे तो Z ना. So now common notations which we use for the sets. Actually, N will be denoted for the set of the natural numbers. Z is the set of the integers. Q is the set of the rational numbers, and R is the set of the real numbers. Z plus is the set of the positive real numbers. Z is a positive real. Z plus Q plus is a set of the positive rational numbers. Z plus is positive real numbers. No, integers. Z plus is a integers, and Q plus is positive rational numbers. R plus is set of the positive real numbers. So these are the, and sets can be representation, means हम दिखाने के लिए, so मैं ये शर्ट पहन के लिए representation, I am representing one thing. Presentation, what is like that. So different dresses, एक ही thing को मैं दूसरा ड्रेस पहन ली है तो मैं दूसरा आदमी नहीं बन सकता हूँ ना. So I am representing myself in a different way. So like that, sets can be represented in two different ways, that is roster form and set builder form. So first one is for roster form, second one is set builder form. So what is meant by roster? Roster form बोले तो क्या? We can call this as a another tabular form. Prime numbers less than 10 if it is set. 2, 3, 5 and 7. So like that, all the elements of the set are enclosed in a bracket separated by commas is called roster form. Roster form में क्या है ना, एक bracket open करके first element से comma, second element, comma, third element, fourth element, and close the bracket. So this way of writing is called as a roster form. Suppose A is the set containing the elements 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 21, 29. If you write in any order, it is right only, same only. It represents the same only. That means elements of the set can be written in any order. So you can interchange 21 पहले होना है, 29 last में होना है, ऐसा rule. So trigonometry one word you take from them. So the trigonometry में T double हो रहा है. So set में elements double नहीं होना है. Repeated elements should not be there in a set. This is the condition. So at the, suppose if the question is given to you that write the roster form of the alphabet used in a trigonometry. So T double use हो गया, R double use हो गया, वो double use होगा, उसको निकालना है. So only distinct elements are written while representing the set in a roster form. Roster form में लिख रहे तो only distinct, different होना. T एक बार आया, दोबारा नहीं use. Okay. Next thing is set builder form. Next one is set builder form. So what is set builder form? 2, 3, 5 and 7 if you are taking. This is roster form में लिखना है तो brackets के 2, 3, 5, 7. Like that we will. Okay. So now here these are all will be denoted with a one general, means a generalized variable will be used, that is x, and उसके बाद x लिखने के बाद such that, we call it as a such, x such that, and उसके बारे में explain करते. X is a prime number less than 9, or you can say less than 11, or you can write that x is a prime number and x less than 10 भी लिख सकते हैं, x less than 9 भी लिख सकते हैं, x less than 8 भी लिख सकते हैं. So that means set builder form is not unique. Set builder form can be written in different ways. X is a prime number, x less than, comma लिख के x less than. Property will be written. Okay. P is the set of all x such that x is a prime number and x less than 10. Less than 10 कितना prime numbers है वो सारा लिखना. So that is sentence form. Okay. Did you understand? So if one set is given 21, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, it is roster. ये roster form को set builder form में लिखना है तो x such that x is a natural number from 21 to x लिख सकते हैं और n भी लिख सकते हैं. Any variable can be written and you need to describe it. देखो ये 20 less than 30 लिखा है, 20 less than n less than 30. If you want, you can write 21 less than or equals to n less than or equals to 29 will accept. Or you can write n such that n is a natural number from 21 to 29. Sentence may be accepted. So set builder form can be written in different ways like this. Did you understand here?
Yes, sir.
Natural number 20 less than n less than 30.